Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to update apps in Google Play. So if you want to find the list of the apps that needs to be updated, you can just go to your profile icon at the top and click on Manage Apps and Device. And then here, click on Manage. And here you'll find the list of the apps that installed on your phone. And next, go to the updates available here to see what apps needs to be updated in your phone. So if you want to update a certain app, you can just click on the app. For example, I want to update Instagram. Oops. Okay. Okay, what you need to do is click on update icon at the top, update button at the green one right here, and then the updating process will begin, and you just need to wait until the process is finished. Okay, so that's it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any question. Don't forget to like and also subscribe for more contents. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.